In this video, I will show you, can you change your payment method on Walmart after purchase, right? If you can do it, then how you can just do it. Yes, you can do it. So first of all, once you are into this Walmart mobile application or Walmart, website here on the top right, you will get the option of sign in. So just go and click on sign in, and here you have to log in into your account. So sign in, just click on here and it will redirect to new page. You have to enter your email address and password, and then just you have to click on continue. Now you will be redirected to a dashboard which will be look like this, and this is a dashboard here. So basically on the left side you will see an option which is called purchase history. By the way, you can also open your purchase history from the website, right? So here if I just click on sign in into an account, I will get option of purchase history and I will be redirected here. Now once you're here into the purchase history, basically it will show you all the purchases which you have done, but below that you will see an option of wallet, as well as you will also see an option of wallet in the middle of your screen, right? So you have to click on this wallet option here. Now once you click on this wallet option, you will get this option to add credit or debit card. So this is for the new users. If you don't have any card till now, then it will ask you to add your card. If you have already added a card, then it's fine. You will get an option to add a card here. For example, you will get something that will look like this. You have to click on add new payment method, and it will show the dashboard like this. You have to enter your card information, and you have to, in the bottom right side corner, you will see the option of save card. If you're using a mobile phone, then it will be look like this. You have to enter your card information here and click on save card, as well as your address, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful.